Stop saying it works on my machine. Local environments drift, that's a fact. The solution? Automated preview environments. Here is how it works. 1. You open a PR. 2. GitHub Actions builds a Docker image. 3. Argo CD spins up a temporary Kubernetes namespace. 4. Gateway API gives it a unique URL. Let's see it. Let's see this in action. The flow is seamless for the developer. 1. Developer work. You are working on a new feature. You make your code changes and commit them. Then you go to GitHub and click Create Pull Request. 2. Triggering the preview. By default, nothing happens to save costs. To see your work live, simply add the label Preview to your PR. 3. The automation kicks in. GitHub Actions wakes up. The pull request CI starts building your Docker image. Within minutes, a new package appears in your registry tagged PR26. Argo CD detects the labeled PR. The application set generates a new application. ServiceFoundry Web PR26. Kubernetes spins up the pods in a new namespace, ServiceFoundry Web PR26. 4. Verification. You and your product manager can now visit the unique URL. Your specific changes are now live on the internet. 5. Cleanup. Once the PR is approved and merged or closed, the cleanup process begins automatically. GitHub Actions deletes the PR26 image from the registry. Argo CD detects the PR is closed and deletes the application. Kubernetes deletes the namespace and all resources within it. No trash left behind. This is built with ServiceFoundry. Want to set this up? Check the related video below.